Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can take burst photo on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first thing first, of course, we have to open our camera application. And after we have opened this camera application, we can use this shutter button to take burst photo. You can tap and hold on this shutter button and you can swipe it down, and I'm going to demonstrate it to you. Just swipe down like this and you can choose how many photos you want to take. I'm going to take 30 photos. So the maximum photos we can take is 30. And here, as you can see, in 30 seconds, I will be able to take 30 photos. And this is the result. You can check it one by one like this. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can take burst photo on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.